guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just need to apologize in advance. I had laryngitis all last week and had a cold and didn't have a voice. Now it's finally somewhat back. It's not 100% and it's very raspy and it's very it just breaks and it's not cute. So I just want to apologize. I mean, I finally just got it back and it's just all over the place. So anyways, I just colored my hair using the Color Charm by Wella in the shade Black, and this was recommended to me, and I honestly have not even known that Color Charm actually was a line. I thought it was just their toners, and I used to use their toners all the time whenever I would try and lighten my hair or go lighter and tone my hair down to get it out of that ugly orange yellow stage. And I didn't know they actually did actual colors. I thought they were just known for their toners. And when this was recommended, I was like, wait, they do more than just toners. So I felt pretty dumb there, but I've never used them, so obviously gotta try it. They don't have blue blacks. They don't have fashion colors. They're just they're generic, reds, blacks, browns, and blondes. So nothing cool. But this one says it's got excellent gray coverage. It's a gel permanent color, and that's about it. So I thought I'd give it a try. And I got it from Sally's, and I had no irritation whatsoever. It was so gentle, and there's no scent to it either. So that's great. So you didn't even need a ventilation. It's pretty much I put it on my head and I kind of forgot that I had it there while I was cleaning up the stains on my sink and all that. This color contains toluene. It says it's excellent gray coverage. We'll see about that. So far so good. It's definitely covered up my whites and they're very persistent. It does stain your skin. I've washed my face quite a few times and it still hasn't come off. At first, I was thinking this color wasn't very dark until I came to the natural lighting over here by my window. And I was thinking when I was over by my vanity blow drying my hair that it wasn't dark at all. To me, it looked more like just a dark brown. But now I'm over here in the natural light and I see how black it is. And at first I was just I don't think it's very black. It's not black enough for me. It looks like a dark brown, but it actually is pretty decent. I actually even wrote not very dark in my notes. And then I come over here and I'm well, my mind just changed because now that I see what it looks like in natural lighting, to me, I kind of see a blue tint to it, even though it's just black. But I'm not hating it. I'm not hating the color whatsoever. So the color is fine. At first, I was hating it. I was oh, great. I can't get it off my skin. It's dark brown. It's not even black. I washed it out and my hair feels disgusting. It's greasy. It's unmanageable. I can't even get my hairbrush through it. Trying to blow dry my hair feels gross. I can't. It's all tangly. So yeah, it's been a day so far. Just trying to blow dry and straighten my hair. I washed it. All right, so this is my process when I wash the hair color out. I literally go like this in the water and make sure that it's out from everywhere until the water runs clear. And then I wash my hair twice with shampoo and then I will condition it. And I literally scrub to get it out of my hair and make sure that the conditioner's out. And my hair still feels so disgusting. My hair feels so greasy, especially up here in the roots and then down here at the ends. It feels so gross. My hair is just so, when I wash my hair, I want it to feel clean and I want it to be washed. I don't want to wash my hair and make it, and then it feels like I didn't wash my hair. My hair feels like it's 2 weeks dirty, and I decided to use a ton of dry shampoo and texture spray and decide to blow dry it and straighten it to see if that makes it any better. And That's how my hair feels. It's not cute. It doesn't even look cute. My hair, like my roots are so poofy because of like how much like greasiness there is. It's just, I can't wait to put it in a ponytail. It's bad. I mean, I don't hate the color like I thought I did, but I hate the way that my hair feels after blow drying it and straightening it, and I'm just like, oh God, it's not even worth straightening and blow drying. But you know, I gotta do it so I can show you guys the beautiful results. Honestly, I'm seeing tints of blue, and I'm not mad about it. I just don't like the way my hair feels. It feels so gross. If you guys are going to use this color, I recommend you washing your hair more than twice. Like, I always wash my hair twice and then condition it, and it just feels disgusting. It's not cute. Now, if all the other hair colors that I ever use at Sally's are out and they don't have any blue blacks in any of my favorite brands, and this is the only one that's available, would I use it? For the color, maybe, but do I really want to walk around after I just colored my hair and then just washed and blow dried my hair to have it feel disgusting like I didn't wash my hair for 3 weeks? I don't know. If I'm in a pinch, maybe. But, I mean, it's not terrible. It's just, when I washed my hair, I want it to feel clean and not feel like I can't run my fingers through my hair. Like I got so much product in my hair. And the only products I use when my hair is wet is the Ava, oh my God, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. The Ava New York NYC, I just had a brain fart. The Ava New York 10-in-1 primer spray is what I use all over my hair when it's wet, dry, all the time. And I use their split end mender as well before I blow dry my hair when it's wet. And that's it. And I never have issues with that. But apparently with this hair color, it's not cute. But anyways, I'm done blabbing about it and how greasy my hair feels. It's just, I can even feel it on my hands after like running my fingers through my hair. It's gross. But anyways, this is the result of the hair color. It's really not terrible. It's not as bad as I actually thought. Like I said, if you're going to use this hair color, I recommend you washing your hair a few extra times. It's not terrible. You can get it at Sally's. It's probably, I can't remember how much I paid for it. It's like between $5 and $6. Maybe even less. I'm not sure. I'd have to look. I've had it sitting in my hair color cabinet for a while and trying to get through all the stuff that was purchased beforehand before this. And yeah, so it's been a while. It's between like $3 and $6 from Sally's. So it's not hurting your bank to get that. Yeah, so I'm done blabbing about that because I'm pretty sure you don't want to hear this raspy voice anymore. So yeah, so if there's any other recommendations that you want me to try that's in black or blue black, definitely leave me all the information about the hair color. Be very, very specific on the brand's name and the color of the name of the color in the comments, and I will definitely try my best to find it. If it's overseas, I have a harder time to find them because I can only find them like on either Amazon or eBay. But I do my best. There's still a few of them that I'm still looking for like better prices because they are pretty pricey to buy them from overseas. To get them here in the States, it's just pretty expensive. So I have a few more recommendations that I still have to buy. They're sitting in my cart on Amazon, and I'll definitely buy them tomorrow or Friday, whenever Friday is. definitely got those coming. And then whatever other ones that I haven't done yet, or ones that are new that like you guys are seeing that I'm not seeing, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely check them out, and I will definitely try and get my hands on them so that I could try them for you. So yes, I'll see you later, guys. Bye.